Hello students, today we continue the exercise 8.3 of chapter 8 comparing quantities. We are finding compound interest annually and half yearly using these following formulas. Today's question 9. Find the amount which Ram will get on rupees 4096 if he gave it for 18 months at 12.5% per annum interest being compounded half yearly. Yeah, what is given here? They asked to find half yearly interest, compounded half yearly interest at the rate of 12.5% time 18 months. Principal 4096. They are asking only amount, not compound interest. Okay. Yes, it is half yearly. So, what is the formula? Yes, half yearly formula, that is amount is equal to principal into 1 plus r by 200 whole to the power 2n, that is equal to 4096 into 1 plus r is in mixed fraction, so convert into improper, that is 12 1 by 2, 12 2 is 24 plus 1 25 by 2, 25 by 2, in the denominator already 200 is there, 2 into 200, got it? Yes, we'll rub this, whole to the power 2n, 18 by 12, because times given in month, we have to convert into years, so we should put in the denominator 12. Okay, yes, these are all the points you should remember. Next step, 4096 into 1 plus, and these three we can cancel, the three terms are in fraction now, so we can cancel 25 one time in 200 8 time, got it? Yes, multiple this 8 with 2, 1 plus 1 by 16, okay, whole to the power, what we are having, we should reduce this exponent, that is power 2 one time in 12 6 time, okay, 6 in 18 3 time, so what is remaining in the power? 3, got it? 4096 into 1 plus 1 by 16 whole to the power 3. Still this copy down, I will clear this page and continue. Yes, that is equal to 4096 1 plus 1 by 16 whole to the power 3. We'll simplify inside the bracket, that is 16 is LCM, cross multiple, 16 ones are 16 plus 1 17 whole to the power 3. 4096 into 17 by 16 into 17 by 16 into 17 by 16. If you simplify, you will get the amount. This all don't write, you will get this amount. Okay, copy down these three steps. If you simplify, you will get the amount 4913. Calculation part yours. So, if you do yourself, it will be easy to you while writing exam. Okay. Yes. Copy down this step. Next, you can copy down these two steps. Already I have written. So, only write this step and this step. Yeah, next question. Question 10. The population of place increased to 54,000 in 2003 at a rate of 5% per annum. Find the population in 2001. What would be its population in 2005? Here see, it is little twisted question, that is the population of place increased, it is increased one. That means according to our formula this is amount increased in 2003 at the rate of 5%. Okay, every year 5% increased. At last in the year 2003 the population is 54,000. Got it? The first part of question they are asking find the population in 2001, means they are asking the principal. Got it? 2003 they are given the population, means it is amount. Got it? If they are asking 2001 population, that is previous, 2003 previous, past, if they ask, you should find principal using this amount. Got it, children? Yes. First we'll write amount formula. Principal into 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power n. It is annually. Okay, not mention anything, means annually. Okay, amount this is 54,000 equal to principal we should find 1 plus 5 by 100 whole to the power n. N not given here, but 2003 and 2001. What is the difference? The difference 2003 and 2001 difference is 2 it is. Okay, so we should take 2 years. 2 years. Okay, yes. Simplification. I'll show the solution here, you can understand. Yes, look at the solution. Population in 2003 is 54,000. Rate is this much. Time we should subtract these 2 years. 2003 1 year and the 2 years. Okay. Then population in 2003 is equal to population in 2001 equal 2001 into should come here. This step should come here. Into population in 2001 into 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power 1. That only I have considered here P. Okay, that is initial value. Initial value, that is population in 2001. 2001 instead of I have substituted here principal. Initial value, starting. Okay, yes, you can write P or else population in 2001 also you can substitute. After that this and all you substitution, and then 21 by 20 square is 441 by 400. After that what we should, these two are in multiplication. No, this is one term. Population in 2001 is one term, it is another term. When you shift this side it will become a division. Got it? That is 54,000 divided by 441 by 400. Yeah, fraction division how we will do? We will take the reciprocal. 400 by 441. That is only given here. This step, that is. Okay. They multiplied these two. 54,400. This product is this one 4. No need of multiplication. If cancellation is possible, you can cancel it. Otherwise, you multiply and divide by 441. It is long calculation. You can divide 441 division method. Use division method and divide 16 lakh. 2 crore 16 lakh it is. That number you should divide by 441. You will get the initial, that is at the in the year 2001 population will be how, population was how much. Okay, can find the population in 2001. Okay, this is the only question they are given, amount and finding principal. This is first part of question. That is first part answer. Second part, population in 2005. For that we should use population in 2003 is the initial value, that is principal. Isn't it? It's 2005, previous one is 2003. 2003 population they are only given in the question. Right? This is that 54,000 as principal for the second part of question. Got it? Yes, substitute that. That is only given here. Population in 2000. Population in 2003 into 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power n. Okay. Population in 2003 they substitute 54,000 and the remaining rate of interest and year here also 2 because 2003 and 2005 the difference is 2 years. So substitute and simplify, you will get the population in 2005. Copy down. Question 11. In a laboratory, the count of bacteria in a certain experiment was increasing at the rate of 2.5% per hour. Find the bacteria at the end of 2 hours if the count was initially 5 lakh and 6,000. It is homework for you. This question homework. Okay. Yeah, they are asked to find the amount bacteria at the end of 2 hours. Okay. Principal is this one. This is principal. Principal 5 lakh 6,000. 2 hours is n, that is time, and it is rate. You should use amount formula, that is P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. Here time is hour, time is here hour given, so you can use this formula also. This formula you can use. So use this formula and find the amount, that is the total number of bacteria at the end of 2 hours. Next one also homework. A scooter was bought at rupees 42,000. Its value depreciated at the rate of 8% per annum. Find its value after 1 year. Here depreciated, that means decreased. The value is decreased. The initial value is how much it was? 42,000. That is principal. 42,000 is principal. This is R. And after 1 year, that is 1 year is N. Okay. You should find the amount again. Amount in the sense here depreciated means decreased. So the formula amount equal to P into 1 plus, not plus, depreciated no, so we should put minus. Minus R by 100 whole to the power n. Instead of my plus, put minus, because here only one problem here it is given, depreciated or decreased. Anything given means you should use minus formula. Till now we find interest. Interest always get increased. We are going to add interest to the principal. So we were adding, for that plus sign we used. Only this problem is given depreciated. So we should minus. That's all. The method and all same. Yeah, I hope you understood this exercise. Most of the problems I did. Only the last 2 questions I have given homework. So do yourself and send me the answer. Thank you.